I decided this week to try out HelloFresh because they had an introductory offer that I could use through my friend. So the first recipe I thought I would try was the pulled chicken burger, and I started by laying out all the equipment it said I needed. So in the recipe pack there were 4 potatoes, 1 lettuce, 2 sachets of barbecue sauce, 1 of apple cider vinegar, 1 of mayonnaise, a pack of 4 chicken thighs, 1 rather large chilli, 1 carrot, and then 2 buns. So you make a salad dressing with the cider vinegar and mayonnaise, and then you make a sauce that you're going to boil the chicken in of water and the barbecue sauce, and you prepare your potato wedges with oil, salt and pepper. I was a bit wary about putting all the chilli in, so I only put a little bit in, and I did find overall the recipe was a bit bland, and I wonder if I should have actually just gone for it and risked the whole thing. Anyway, you boil the chicken thighs until they're cooked, you prepare your salad of lettuce and carrot and salad dressing, take out the chicken and boil the sauce on a high heat to reduce it, and then while you're doing that you shred the chicken. Once your sauce is reduced, you add the chicken back in and stir it round, and all this time your potato wedges have been cooking. So this is the final dish. Really, I just don't think it was the dish for me. Having tried another one, which is the pork pappardelle, I did enjoy that. So I can understand why people really enjoy this service, because you get a range of dishes, you're not eating the same thing every day, but personally I want to be able to customise my dishes a bit more. The one thing I don't like about the website and app is that you can't tell it what your allergies are. So every time I get told what my recipes are going to be, I have to go through each and every one to check all the recipes for allergens. So overall I think I'll try it for a few more weeks, but I'm not really sold.